Soaker Hose 101. Simplifying Garden Irrigation. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explain a very specific but interesting phrase, soaker hose. If you're curious about gardening or irrigation tools, this is for you. So, let's dive into what a soaker hose is and how it's used. A soaker hose is a type of hose used in gardens for irrigation. Unlike a regular hose that sprays water, a soaker hose is designed to leak water slowly from tiny holes along its length. This allows the water to soak into the soil directly around the plant's roots, which is both water efficient and very effective for the plants. Soaker hoses offer several benefits. They save water by reducing evaporation. They prevent diseases on leaves caused by overhead watering. They're time efficient, as they water plants slowly over time. Using a soaker hose is quite simple. 1. Lay the hose on the soil near the plants. 2. Connect it to a water source. 3. Turn on the tap slightly, just enough to allow the water to seep through the hose. Remember to check the soil moisture occasionally. It should be moist, not soggy or flooded. To ensure your soaker hose works effectively for a long time, avoid exposing it to the sun for too long. Keep it clear of sharp objects that might puncture it. Drain it before winter to prevent freezing damage. We hope this video has helped clarify what a soaker hose is and how it can be a valuable tool in your gardening arsenal. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.